Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. In this episode I have another Bluetooth speaker. This one is like a bar of soap. So, do you want to know what it sounds like? Well, let's check it out. So as you can see, I'm charging it at the moment because I was just trying to turn it on, but it was flat. So let's look at the design first. This speaker is from Edifier and there is different colors of these available. There is blue, pink, white and black. If there is any other colors, you can find it in the description. By the way, I couldn't find a link where you can actually buy this speaker. So if you can find me a link where you can buy this speaker, please comment below and then I'll add it to the description. There is some links in the description for Edifier's website where they talk about this speaker. So if you want to know more specifications and more details, you can find the link below. But let's look at the speaker then. So it is quite small, and in a moment we're gonna compare the sound to this Zenbre D5, my favorite Bluetooth speaker at the moment. But it is fairly small, you know, compared to this one. You can see there is a massive size difference. So it is very, very small and you can literally put it in your pocket. So if you look on the top here, there is plus and minus button, which is obviously the volume. Then there is play and pause and forward track and back track button on the top as well. And then phone call button, which you probably answer the phone calls with. If you want to know the unboxing and what else is in the box here, you can find the video link over there. And then on one of the sides, there is little holes here for this strap. If you want to put a little strap on the speaker and kind of carry it, you know, on the strap, you can do that as well. And then there's nothing on the other side. Then on the back here, we have a micro SD card slot, which means that you can put some music on your micro SD card and then slot it in there and then play it straight from your micro SD card. Then there is aux port. They also give you an aux cable, which is pretty nice. And also this aux cable is an angled aux cable. It's got a 90 degrees angle, so it's not straight. One side is angled, which is pretty great as well. And then they give you a micro USB that just fell down and is somewhere over there now. And then there is off and on switch over here. If you flick it to the right, then it's on, and then you've got DC in over here. So they claim that the battery life or the playback time for this is around 10 hours. So it's good to know. It's also Bluetooth 4.2, you know, fast Bluetooth option. You can answer phone calls with it, and pretty much like every other Bluetooth speaker. But the biggest thing is, how does it sound? So let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. I guess that is connected. We're going to listen to, you know what the song is. It's the song that we'll listen to every single time. It's maximum on my phone. So let's start listening to, and it's, you know, just, I'm gonna give you my opinion now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely.
Okay, I am pretty impressed, to be honest. Let me just get another Bluetooth speaker. Okay, over here I have another Bluetooth speaker. This is the iCoox Bluetooth speaker. If you haven't seen the video yet, you can find the video in that corner. But I just want to listen to this one quickly as well. I'm connected and I'm going to listen to the same thing again. We'll go. Okay, so this little bar of soap is pretty impressive actually. It sounds, to be honest, very nice. Look, I've got another bigger speaker over here. That goes obviously much louder, but the sound is not as equalized as this one. And by that I mean that This one has very, very high clear end and maybe a little bit of bass, and it's kind of like, you know, every single speaker company, basically what they do is they put their own EQ to their speakers. Very few companies actually EQ them flat, which there's a purpose why they do that. This is for mixing, and you know, like if you're actually working with like professional audio mixing or mastering, you need flat EQ headphones or speakers. But most of the speaker companies, what they do is they add an EQ, and this is what I'm reviewing here, is like, what's the EQ like, you know, is it pleasable to my ears or is it not? So in here it's a little bit unbalanced, that's what I would say. This iCooks one, it's just a little bit going, you know, maybe the highs are a bit too coming through, but this one Edifier here, to be honest, I was expecting it, first of all, clip the audio, and then second of all, I expected it to be just like, okay, but it is pretty good. What I want to do now is I want to try the aux port as well, see if there is any change of the quality if I use it through the aux cable. So I'm going to turn the Bluetooth off and listen to it again, see if there is...
Through my shadow turns to sun rays.
Funnily enough, it goes louder over the Bluetooth than through aux. The music is much quieter, and I think it actually sounded good via Bluetooth, which is odd actually. Usually this is how it would sound much better. That's interesting to know anyway. So this little bar of soap is pretty impressive. It's pretty good sounding little speaker, and it goes fairly loud as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you did like this video, please leave a like in the section below, and any questions at all, I'll meet you in the comment section below. If you're new here, consider subscribing because more videos like this are coming out every single week. I'm glad to see you here if you are new, and now we're gonna go into the sound comparison between these two. So let's do it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.